If you're a realtor planning to perform at a peak level in 2026, here is the best way to make 2026 your best year as a realtor. Number one is that you need to invest heavily in yourself. By investing heavily in yourself, I mean you need to engage in activities that help you to become a better version of yourself. I mean, activities like reading books, going for seminars or conferences, trying to engage in any activity that helps you to transform yourself to a better version. I mean, when you do stuff like this, you notice that your mindset about things will change, and now you begin to have a better understanding of the business we are doing and also know how to relate with the people you do the same business with. Number two, dress and present yourself slightly better than expected. Now, when it comes to real estate, it matters how you dress, how you present yourself before your client or your prospect. Your dress is the first impression that you create before your clients or even before a fellow colleague. So it matters how you appear before conferences, before events, or even when you want to engage a client, a prospect. Always ensure that you have a smart appearance always, especially in 2020, because that will stand you out. Number three, you need to double down on content creation. When it comes to real estate, content creation is like the heartbeat of the business. So content creation helps you to create that visibility. I mean, people get to know that you are in a business, that you exist, and this is what you are doing for life. It helps also for clients or prospects who want to patronize you, to like you, to see you, to trust you, and then be able to buy what you are offering. Content creation is that activity that you must engage consistently in 2026. Number four, follow up on clients consistently. In real estate, you need to learn how to do a good follow up, not trying to make the person seem like you are trying to pursue him or you are trying to force the money out of his pocket. So you need to learn how to follow up in a better way and in a good way when you are prospecting or maybe when you are reaching out to a client. So whenever a client sends a message or make an inquiry about the product you are selling, you need to know how to follow that client so that you'll be able to close that sale and make that commission. Finally, network with other experts in the industry. In real estate, one of the secrets of the top selling realtors and top performing companies is networking. They know how to network with other individuals, especially people who are experts in the industry. And as a realtor, one of the major things that will help you stand out and perform at a peak level is learning how to network with other experts in the industry. You can't do it all by yourself. You need a team of people that will help you to contribute on what you are building. I mean, there are some abilities that you don't have that these persons have. So you need to find people who are experts, who are doing very well, and then network with them so that you perform at your peak level in 2026. If you found this video valuable, like, subscribe, and then follow along for more. And if you have any contribution to make, drop it in the comment section.